Here it says, write each number in standard form. When we write our number in expanded form, in standard form, it's just the number. Just the number. We look at our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. The first one has 100, 200, 300, 400. It has 4 groups of 100. It has 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 435. To write it in expanded form, we would write 400 plus 30 plus 5. But we didn't do this yet. Standard form. My number is 435. The next one that we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So we have 5 groups of 100. How many tens do we have? 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. For the tens, we have 4. For the ones, we have 3. 543. Just the number, standard form, is 543. To write 543 in expanded form, I would write 500 plus 40 plus 3. Number 3, we have 100, 200. We have a hundreds place, a tens place, and a ones place. How many hundreds do we have? 2 hundreds. How many tens? 0. How many ones? 2. So my number in standard form is 202. To write this number in expanded form, I would write 200 plus 0 for the 0 tens plus 2 for the ones place. The next one I have is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So I have hundreds place. There are 7. For the tens, I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s. Tens place, I have 7. And for the ones place, there are 0 ones. It's really important that you don't just write 77 because you don't see any ones place, because that changes the value of your number if you write 77. So to write 770 in standard form, you would just write 770. In expanded form, you would write 700 plus 70 plus 0 equals 770. And the last one that we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. So we have hundreds, tens, and ones. There are 8 groups of 100. There is 1 10, and there are 9 ones. To write it in standard form, we would write 819. Expanded form would be 800 plus 10 plus 9.